And yes, you heard that right, $200 off. And this isn't a one-time flash sale or a limited time deal, it's a part of a major clearance event going on right now. So if you've been debating whether or not to pull the trigger on this flagship, now is definitely the time. But why the massive price cut? Well, as with most tech companies, when a new generation of devices is on the horizon, the older models often get price reductions. Google has recently announced that they're working on the next iteration of their flagship phone, possibly the Google Pixel 10 or another major upgrade. And as a result, they're making room for the new models by slashing the price of the current one. This is great news for buyers, especially those who don't want to wait for the next release. Google is giving us a golden opportunity to get the Pixel 9 Pro at a fraction of its original cost, and trust me, you're getting a lot for your money. So what makes the Pixel 9 Pro worth every penny, even at the original price? Let's take a quick look at what this device brings to the table. First up, the stunning display. The Pixel 9 Pro features a 6.7-inch OLED screen with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, perfect for everything from gaming to watching videos. The color accuracy is top-notch, making it one of the best displays on the market. Next, let's talk about the camera, probably one of the biggest selling points of the Pixel series. The Pixel 9 Pro is equipped with a 50MP primary camera, a 12MP ultrawide, and a 48MP telephoto lens. Combine that with Google's AI-driven software and you've got one of the best mobile cameras for photos and videos, hands down. Performance: the Pixel 9 Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset and comes with up to 12GB of RAM. This means that whether you're multitasking, gaming, or editing photos and videos, this phone can handle it all without breaking a sweat. So here's the real question: is the Pixel 9 Pro still a great buy in 2025? Absolutely. Despite being a couple of years old, it holds up incredibly well. Sure, newer phones have been released, but the Pixel 9 Pro's performance, camera quality, and overall design still compete with some of the best smartphones out there. Plus, the $799 price tag makes it even more appealing in today's market, where flagship phones can cost upwards of $1,000 or more. Unlike many other smartphones that feel outdated after a year or two, the Pixel 9 Pro still feels fresh, relevant, and most importantly, future-proof. With software updates from Google guaranteed for a few more years, you'll be getting the latest features and security patches for a long time. Now you might be wondering how to take advantage of this $200 price drop. It's actually really simple. Just head over to Google's official store or major online retailers like Amazon, Best Buy, or Walmart. They're all running the same promotion. You can grab the Pixel 9 Pro at this discounted price while supplies last. Remember, this sale is time sensitive, and once the stock runs out, you might not see this deal again anytime soon. So if you've been thinking about upgrading your phone or just want to experience the power of the Pixel, this is your chance. To sum it up, the Google Pixel 9 Pro has received a massive $200 discount, and at this price it's honestly one of the best value for money devices you can get right now. From its sleek design to the amazing camera and top-tier performance, it still stands tall in 2025. And with this deal, you're getting it at a price that makes it even more irresistible. So what do you think? Will you be picking up the Pixel 9 Pro while it's on sale? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video if you found this deal useful. Also, subscribe to the channel for more tech news, reviews, and the best deals out there.